It's the silence we human often fail to embrace, to step out of this fast forward-moving cycle of life, to step into the silence, to just stand there and listen to your surroundings, to take a deep breath in and out, to really feel what's around you. Also in photography, we often tend to move as fast as we can to capture every moment, every single emotion, every single thing around you. But it's about the practice of silence and slowing down, to not press the shutter button every time you see something. Embrace the pictures you form in your mind, and this is a little reminder to embrace what's around you. Actually, the color green is calming you down. It's stimulating something in your brain which lets you feel calm, grounded, back down on earth. So with this little video, we want to invite you to stop moving fast, go outside, embrace nature and your environment and all the beautiful sounds, and just embrace the stillness.